Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is petty cash. What is it? So, first of all, establishing a petty cash fund, an amount of cash kept on hand and used for making a small payment. It's called petty cash. For instance, let's purchase a soda. We will not write a check to purchase a soda or to purchase very short supplies and so on. So we use money. And then, petty cash, just like cash, it is an asset account. So the normal balance is a debit. So debit increases, credit decreases. Making payment. So a form showing proof of a petty cash payment is called a petty cash slip. So what do? We add the date, paid to, for, how much, and what account we will record it. And we number it, number 1, 2, 3, and so on, and who is approving it. And how do we report it? A petty cash on hand amount that is less than a recorded amount is called cash short. Petty cash on hand amount that is more than a recorded amount is called cash over. Sometimes you got changes on coins and you lose it, so you will be short. Sometimes you will be over. You just found some lost coins and you will be over. So the custodian prepares a petty cash report when the petty cash fund is to be replenished. So, okay, we received $100 and we spent it, and now the money is over. So I will account these expenses and I will get more money back. So here, a petty cash report. So first of all, date and the custodian name, so who is managing the money. So the total fund, here, let's suppose $100. Our payments, 20 and 14. So total payments, 34. And now, amount on hand, 66. So, my actual cash on hand, it is only 65. So I lost $1. And then we are short in $1. So we should have 66. We actually have 65. So we are $1 short. And then amount to replenish. So we need 35 more dollars, 35 additional dollars to get the $100 again. And then replenishing petty cash. Account title, cash short and over. Debit when cash is short, credit when cash is over. It is much more often the cash should be short. You lose the change or you just spend some money and you don't get the receipt and so on. So cash short and over can be either an expense if the cash is short or a revenue if the cash is over. So the account balance, either a debit or credit. Debit if the cash is short, credit if the cash is over. However, it is usually a debit because petty cash fund more likely to be short than over. So before the thank you, let's go to our Excel file. And guys, remember all our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. And by the way, guys, subscribe to our channel. It's very important to us. And like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarpin. So the transaction number 1, January 19th. Paid cash to establish a petty cash fund, $100 with the check number 8. So the date, January Come on. Come on, don't crash. Don't make me cry. Okay, 1/19. So January 19th. Account title, debit. Petty cash. Document number, check number 8 or CH number 8. Debit, $100. And what is the credit? The credit is cash credit, $100. And here, guys, let's create a T account. It was not supposed to be on this class, but it will be easier for you to understand it. Petty cash. So, come on. No, not responding. No, come back. Come back, please. Okay, we are back. And let me do. And let's format here, just like a live class, huh? Let me see if Excel will allow me to format it. Oh, Excel will crash, and I will cry. So format, well, I just merge it, but I don't want this text to be so down. So I will tell Excel I want it up. So format cells and wait. It's raining outside, so I think my laptop is lazy. Come on, guys. Oh, okay. I will just pause our video and I will be back later. Okay, now I'm back. Alignment. Vertical top instead of bottom. Okay, vertical top. And we are good to go. So, petty cash, debit, 100. And now we have a lot of transactions here. So on January 31st, we will replenish the petty cash. But first of all, let's record our expenses. And then we will replenish it. So 35. How much is the 35? So first of all, we pay it miscellaneous expense, a debit, 20. Advertising, and it's not a credit here, so, and here, guys, we can have it. We usually work with journal entries, one debit and one credit. Now we will be working with multiple debits and one credit. So the second one, advertising, 14. Then cash short and over, 1. And now the credit, petty cash. The sum of it, how much the sum of it? The sum of it is 35. So our petty cash here, 35. So our cash, if we go to a subtotal here, it would be 100 less 35, it would be 65. However, we will replenish it. So a second journal entry, debit, petty cash, and credit, cash. How much? And then the check number, 11, 35, and 35. Now the petty cash, $35 here. And we have it done. So if we sum here, sum of debits less the sum of credits. $100. Or another way to do it. So, or let's check the alternative way to do that. Or, so let's go back to row number 1. The same date, 1/19/2021. Petty cash, check number 8, and cash, $100, $100. Then, January 31st, 2021, what will we have? The same debits. So we copy and paste here. The same debits. Now the check. 11. And the credit would be cash. The sum of it. Cash, the 35. And then we have no additional journal entries for petty cash. The petty cash would be there, 100, and the replenish it, or when we record our expenses, we would be crediting cash because we would be replenishing our petty cash. So we can do it using 2 journal entries or only 1 journal entry. That is completely up to you guys. Usually, our textbooks, they provide this second form here. This one is how usually we have in our textbooks. Okay, but the first one is also used for some companies. Okay, so let me put this gray here. It is how probably your instructor will tell you to do that. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.